If you're like me and you've seen these amazing setup tools on YouTube and TikTok, and you've seen these beautiful Nanoleaf LED boards in the background, you've Googled it, you see that it cost about 10,000 billion pounds. But fear not, guys, there's a cheaper version for you. Check this out. This is the Colorlight Pro, a really cool budget alternative to the Nanoleaf lights. And in this video, we're going to be doing a quick unboxing and review. But before we get started, if you're new around here, please subscribe, like and comment down below. My name is Shia and welcome to my channel Chili Sauce. I post daily tech and gaming videos, and your subscription will really help me grow this channel. It costs you nothing, it's free of charge, so please subscribe below. Right, let's get to it. Right, let's get started with the unboxing. So we've got the Colorlight Pro Build Your Light, 6 pieces stone set. So it does come as different types of sets. So you could get the, I think, with a 3 set, a 6 set and a 9 set. I've got the one in the middle, which is the 6 set. It also comes with a stone. So the base is made out of a stone. You get ones where the base is made out of plastic and etc. I thought the stone looks the best. Works with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and all of that. You've got a mobile app that you can connect to. Another thing it says here, this only supports 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi networks, not 5 gigahertz. So bear that in mind. 16 million colors. It's got a microphone built in as well. So if you're playing music and such, the lights could dance to the music, which is quite cool. And it's got voice control. Right, let's get started. So this slides right off. Oh, okay. You've got another thing here. Colorlight. So that slide right off. We've got some instructions. I'm guessing these are the actual lights. We've got the stone base. Oh, this is heavy. We've got the actual stone base. It's got no mounts. It's got a little hole somewhere there. Let's open this bad boy up. Right. So I believe this is the connector that you actually attach to it. So this goes to the back of the one of these pieces and it attaches to this. And I think this goes through that hole. And it is a USB plug as well, which is quite cool. You've got different size connectors to connect each one up. And let's try and not spill all of these. Cool. So these are each little connectors that it comes with. Sweet. Amazing. So that is that. Should we get it set up? Let's make this go in here. And like so, you've got a little cut out for the USB wire to go through. So we've got that there. Let me plug this USB in as well, so it's all ready to rumble. And what do? Let's get one of these. So they've got interlocks in between them and they've got connectors in each single side. And then you've got these 2 connectors as well. So let's stick that in here. Now I think the 2 connectors is the ones that gives it power. So you can see it's already lighting up. And you've got tons of single and double connectors. So the single connectors just give it support, whereas these dual connectors here, or when I say dual, I mean the space in between it, is the ones that allow you to actually give it light. So if you were to build a complex structure out of this, you will need some. So I can see it's lighting up beautifully. What should we make? I don't know. Let's make something like so. Boom. Are all the lights working? Yeah, they're all working. Amazing. You've got a little touch sensitive light at the back, so if you press it, it cycles through the different types. There we go. We've got some cool effects. If you do want to buy this product, then the links to are in the description below, so check it out. So yeah, that's my review of the Colorlights. I think they are a fantastic alternative to the Nanoleafs, plus they are budget friendly. And what's even better is that they are also smart and can be connected to your smartphone. It's amazing. Anyway, if you did enjoy this video, please make sure you are subscribed below. It costs you nothing and it's free of charge and helps me out so much. Please make sure you leave a like down there and also a comment down there as well. Let me know what you think. If you guys have any content suggestions or want me to do any specialized content for you guys, then please also let me know down in the comments. I'm more than happy to do so, even if it means I need to buy the product instead of you do a review on it before you make a decision. I'm happy to do that. So leave a comment down below. Peace.